Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure MetLife AutoPay for policy payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure MetLife AutoPay for your policy payments, start by visiting the MetLife website. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you don't have an account, select the option to register for online access. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section in the main menu. Look for the AutoPay option within this section. Click on Set up AutoPay to begin the configuration process. You will need to provide your bank account information for the payments. Enter your bank routing number and account number accurately. Decide on the payment frequency that suits you best, whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually. Review the payment amount that will be deducted from your account. Confirm that all your entered information is correct. Read through the terms and conditions related to AutoPay and agree to them. Submit your AutoPay setup by clicking the Confirm button. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your AutoPay setup. Check your email for any follow-up instructions or verification requests. Return to the Payments section to review your AutoPay settings if needed. Make a note of your next payment date and amount for your records. AutoPay will now be active, ensuring timely payments for your policy. If you need to make any changes in the future, navigate back to the AutoPay section. Remember to keep your bank information updated to avoid any payment issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.